Welcome today meal. The Ches got a fantastic idea for a flavorful, easy meal. Since you want to use ready-made noodles and hoisin sauce, we'll focus on quick preparation for the chicken and shrimp, then combine it all into a delicious noodle dish. Here is a simplified recipe focusing on using pre-made ingredients. Easy hoisin noodles with lemon chicken and honey garlic shrimp. This recipe is structured as a stir-fry, bringing all the flavors together in one pan, or two, if you want to keep the chicken and shrimp flavors separate initially. Ingredients: noodles and base. Ready-made noodles. 1 package, e.g., egg noodles, udon, or pre-cooked stir-fry noodles. Cook according to package directions and set aside. Ready-made hoisin sauce. About 4 to 6 tablespoons, or to taste. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, or tamari for gluten-free. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, for stir-frying. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, or 1 TSP paste, powder. 1 clove minced garlic, or 1 TSP pre-minced. Vegetables. 2 cups of a ready-made stir-fry mix, e.g. peppers, carrots, snow peas, broccoli. Lemon chicken, quick prep. 1 NLB pre-cooked chicken. Shredded rotisserie chicken, leftover cooked chicken breast, or quick fry chicken breast strips. Juice of 2 lemons. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon water or chicken broth. Salt and pepper to taste. Honey glazed garlic shrimp, quick prep. 1 lb uncooked shrimp, peeled and deveined. 2 tablespoons honey. 2 cloves minced garlic, or 1 TSP pre-minced. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil for cooking shrimp. Garnish, optional, chopped green onions, toasted sesame seeds. Instructions. 1. Prepare noodles and veggies. Cook your ready-made noodles according to package instructions. Drain, rinse with cold water to stop cooking, and set aside. Heat. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your ready-made stir-fry vegetables. Stir-fry for 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. Push the vegetables to one side of the pan. 2. Make the lemon chicken. Add the pre-cooked chicken to the cleared space in the pan, or use a separate pan if starting with raw chicken strips, cooking until done. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, and water, chart broth. Pour the mixture over the chicken. Stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce has reduced slightly and coated the chicken. Transfer the lemon chicken to a separate bowl and set aside. 3. Make the honey garlic shrimp. Wipe out the pan if needed or use a new pan. Heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and 1 to 2 of the minced garlic. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp are just turning pink and opaque. Pour in the 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Toss quickly to coat the shrimp, creating a quick glaze. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set aside. 4. Combine hoisin noodles. Add the remaining ginger and garlic to the pan used for the vegetables, medium-high heat. Stir-fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the cooked noodles back to the pan with the vegetables. Add the hoisin sauce and soy sauce. Toss everything together until the noodles and vegetables are completely coated in the hoisin sauce and heated through 2 to 3 minutes. 5. Serve. Divide the hoisin noodles among serving bowls. Top each serving with the lemon chicken and the honey garlic shrimp. Garnish with chopped green onions and toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy your quick and flavorful feast. Settings: add any subtitle,